Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Voices English.
Hello, we are happy to see you. We are here to help you learn English.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us make more videos.
Today our topic is very interesting. We talk about seasons and weather.
There are 4 seasons in the year.
Yes, there is summer, there is winter, there is spring, and there is autumn.
Every season is different. The weather is different. The colors are different.
That is true. Let's talk about summer first.
Summer. I like summer.
Why do you like summer?
Because it is hot. The sun is big and yellow. It is sunny every day.
Is there rain in summer?
No, usually there is no rain. The sky is blue. It is very clear.
What is a good place for summer?
The beach is a good place. In summer, there are many people at the beach.
Yes, there is sand and there is water.
The water is blue and cool. It is nice because the air is hot.
I understand, but I do not like the heat. I like winter.
Winter, is that very cold?
Yes, it is very cold, but it is beautiful.
Is there sun in winter?
Sometimes it is sunny, but it is not hot. The air is cold, and there is snow.
I like snow. Snow is white.
Yes, the world looks white in winter. There is snow on the houses. There is snow on the trees.
Is there snow on the mountains?
Yes, there are big white mountains. It is very quiet.
Is there wind?
Yes, sometimes it is very windy. The wind is cold.
Okay. Summer is hot. Winter is cold. What about the other seasons?
Let's talk about spring.
Spring is a happy season. It is warm.
It is not hot.
No, it is not hot, and it is not cold. It is warm. It is perfect.
What do you see in spring?
In spring, there is rain.
Rain. I do not like rain.
But the rain is good. Because of the rain, there are flowers.
Ah, yes. There are many flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, and purple flowers.
And there are green trees. The park is very green in spring.
Is there a park near your house?
Yes, there is a big park. There are birds in the park, too.
That sounds nice. Green grass, beautiful flowers, and singing birds.
Yes, it is lovely. Now, what is the last season?
The last season is autumn.
Autumn is interesting. It is cool.
Is it sunny?
Sometimes, but it is often cloudy and windy.
What about the colors? Spring is green. Is autumn green?
No. Autumn is orange, yellow, and brown.
The trees change color.
Yes, the leaves are yellow and orange.
And then, the leaves fall. There are leaves on the ground.
There are many, many leaves on the ground. It is beautiful.
So, we have 4 distinct seasons.
Yes, summer is hot and sunny.
Winter is cold and snowy.
Spring is warm and green.
And autumn is cool and windy.
Which season is good for you?
I think I like spring now. I like the flowers.
I like winter. I like the snow.
What about you? What is your favorite season?
Please tell us in the comments, do you like the sun or the snow?
Thank you for watching Two Voices English. Please do not forget subscribe.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.